Hey everybody, Andy Jenkins here, and you're probably expecting to watch a hard-hitting video sales letter, carefully crafted to magically persuade you to buy Kartra. Well, we're not going to do that. We don't need to do that because you can get the entire thing right now for $1. That gets you 2 weeks where you can kick the tires, peek under the hood, and poke around with the engine and test drive the hell out of it. All at our risk, not yours. Yes, just $1. So if you already know you want it, press the button below this video and get started. Seriously. Now, if you still have questions, let me show you how to actually put Kartra to work for you so you can start using it immediately. As you start using Kartra, you'll see that we engineered Kartra to support 4 core principles. Kartra gets you more customers, Kartra makes each customer worth more, Kartra keeps you more customers, and Kartra saves you more money. So let's start with a few examples of how Kartra gets you more customers. The first thing that Kartra can do for you is it can actually build complete, ready-to-go campaigns for you at the press of a button. Not just funnels, actual complete campaigns with pre-programmed autoresponders, countdown timers, advanced automation, everything. So let's say, for example, that you want to build an email subscriber list. Well, you just click on the Done For You List Builder campaign. In about a minute, Kartra is going to then build everything that you need to start growing a highly responsive email subscriber list. It builds the squeeze pages, the email opt-in form, the thank you page, and a lot more. And you're not starting from scratch with these pages either. These aren't just placeholders. They already contain world-class copywriting designed to maximize subscriber conversion. And all you have to do is customize the campaign, press go, and it's ready to start. By the way, when I mean customize, I literally mean just tweak the copy on your pages and in your emails that we create for you so it matches your brand. You see, all of the pages Kartra makes, its emails it generates, and everything right down to the copy on the thank you page is already optimized to convert based on real-world split testing with millions of clicks from all kinds of traffic sources. We did the work, so you don't have to. You already know that building a responsive subscriber list is one of the most powerful assets a company can have. With Kartra's Done For You List Builder campaign, now you can easily and quickly use multiple list building channels for everything from your social media traffic to your PPC traffic to creating lead building landing pages for your podcasts or your YouTube channel. Because Kartra is so fast, you'll probably want to build a custom campaign for every type of visitor traffic you have. And I bet you've never done that before. And if you did, it probably wasn't easy. Now, let me give you another example. But in this example, I want you to pay close attention to something that we call marketing AI. Here's what I mean. Let's say that you wanted to do a quick launch that has a deadline. Okay, I know generally when people say the word launch, they don't also say the word quick in the same sentence. Well, that's because launches are amazing marketing strategies, but they have a lot of moving parts that require marketing expertise in multiple disciplines. But with Kartra's Quick Launch Done For You campaign, we've once again removed all of the heavy lifting. Here's how this works with Kartra. It's already built for you. You just press the Quick Launch button and it's ready for you. The pages are built, integrated with everything automatically, and ready for you to customize. Same thing with the follow-up and call to action emails. They're all pre-written using our tested copy templates. But here's where things get cool. Because Kartra offers class-leading marketing automation, we've also taken the liberty of pre-programming customized action triggers for you. That means that a Kartra Done For You Quick Launch knows how to react to your visitor's behavior. So for example, let's say a visitor keeps engaging with your training content, you know, the stuff that you give them when you move the free line. Well, Kartra knows that, so it gives them more to keep them engaged. Now, if a visitor then wants to check out your offer, Kartra can automatically change the conversation to be laser focused on sales urgency. And so here's just one way to do that. Kartra can trigger a special offer based on an action, like the click of a link, or when an email gets opened, or the number of minutes of a video somebody watched, or any combination of those actions. Then with a Kartra-powered countdown timer that you can drag and drop into place with a Kartra-built page. Pretty cool, right? Kartra will end that countdown timer when the special offer ends. And it doesn't matter if you want to end the sale on a certain date or after a certain number of days after the original trigger takes place. I know that sounds kind of complicated, but if you've done it before, you're probably going, that's awesome. Now imagine being able to do this individually for every subscriber on your list automatically. That means you can use the highest level of sales urgency without any fake scarcity. You're welcome. A Kartra done-for-you quick launch sets it all up, connects it all together, and then it publishes it securely. It truly is the whole 9 yards. Seriously, if you can type and click the buttons, you've got what it takes to be using and marketing with Kartra today. Now, earlier, I gave you a list of 4 things Kartra was built for. Kartra gets you more customers. Kartra makes each customer worth more. Kartra keeps you more customers, and Kartra saves you more money. Well, we should add, and it does it fast, to that list. That's because one of the Kartra done-for-you campaigns is called the 4-day cash machine. Yes, you've probably heard it before. This campaign does what it says. In 4 days, it leads your visitors through a process designed to generate a high conversion while nurturing your visitors, your subscribers, or your prospects' desire for more quality information. You just click the Done For You button for the 4-day cash machine campaign, customize the pre-designed page templates, and all of the emails and automation and tech stuff is just done for you automatically. So you can focus on selling instead of figuring out how to do the boring tech stuff that drives everybody crazy. Now, speaking of selling your stuff, let's talk about how you can give yourself a raise immediately with Kartra, all without getting more traffic or actually increasing your conversion rate. No, what I'm about to show you falls under the category of one of the most important and also most often overlooked parts of your marketing, your checkout process. Now, hold on. If you're new to the idea of Kartra, you might be thinking that Kartra is a marketing campaign generator that comes with some proven pre-done templates that you customize and then use to market with. Well, you're not wrong, but that's not even close to the whole picture. In fact, Kartra is a fully featured, it's actually a stack of fully featured online business growing tools. And each one of these tools is completely integrated and connected to each other. That everything is connected aspect will become supremely important the more you learn about Kartra. So, as you've already guessed, Kartra includes an advanced drag and drop page builder, which means that gorgeous pages are literally a few clicks and a couple of mouse drags away. By the way, this page that you're watching this video on, created with Kartra, and a whole lot more, but let's focus back in. This next example illustrates another one of Kartra's powerful core principles. Kartra makes each customer worth more. Yes, Kartra comes with a full e-commerce platform. Of course, it integrates with PayPal, Authorize.net, Stripe, and a bunch of other payment providers. But what's really cool is that Kartra lets you design a checkout process that boosts the dollar value of each of your customers. But you don't need a programmer or a webmaster or a page designer in order to do this. So for example, step 1, we split tested Kartra's order form templates to hell and back, found the layouts and designs that work best, and are giving them to you so you can sell more. So just use those. Step 1. But that's just the beginning. Then there's step 2. And so you know, if you're not using Kartra, step 2 usually requires that you have access to a web developer to custom create what I'm about to show you. Built right into Kartra's shopping cart are advanced selling features like order bumps. An order bump puts a pre-transaction selling option that your customer can choose with a single click right on your checkout page. So for example, let's say you're selling an ebook. You offer a printed version order bump, or you're selling a training course. Offer a one-on-one consulting order bump. Selling a seminar or live event, offer a VIP access order bump. I mean, you get the idea. Now you've got the technology. Kartra also comes built in with post-transaction one-click upsells, downsells, and cross-sale capability. That means you can easily make more offers to each customer and then customize the next offer they receive dynamically based on their previous activity. That means more revenue per transaction. That means more money in your pocket. Nothing to integrate, nothing to figure out, nothing to code. It just works. But it's not limited to just order pages. You see, Kartra builds all of your web pages for you. It's got 160 fully customizable templates pre-created and ready to go. Plus, there's over 300 elements pre-created that you can mix and match with any one of the templates. These are opt-in templates, thank you page templates, video sales letter templates, order forms, upsell templates, homepage templates, everything you can think of, it's in there. Kartra even has an opt-in form builder that lets you design cool opt-in pages so your forms look gorgeous and slick and professional, not .gov ugly. So there's no need to worry about figuring out the design stuff. Just choose the template you want, tweak the copy, and you're gold. And look, you can see these are designed by pros. And these pros know how to make pages look great, but more importantly, how to convert visitors to sales like a boss. But if building your pages is your thing, you can even start from scratch and build your own templates because Kartra's page builder is deep. Plus, it's drag and drop. What you see is what you get. That means that you know what you're getting as you make it. Kartra's page builder can create such beautifully designed media that a hugely popular request that we got during our beta testing was to add a Kartra page to HTML export feature. That means you can use Kartra page designs, and the full Kartra page, anywhere you want just by exporting what you've created to a universally compatible HTML file. Now, Kartra also hosts your pages for you that you create with Kartra, and you can even connect your Kartra pages to your domain. I know that sounds a little geeky, but if you don't know what that means, you probably don't need it yet. And if you do, you're probably saying to yourself, yes. Now, Kartra is a world-class platform, not just because it gives you so many critical features, it also makes features other platforms call advanced seem like no big deal from Kartra's point of view. Specifically, I'm talking about Kartra's email power. Of course, Kartra has autoresponders. Of course, with Kartra, you can broadcast to your list as many times as you want. Of course, with Kartra, you can segment people into many different lists as you want. Sure, Kartra lets you email alternative content only to people that didn't open or didn't click on anything you sent them from the last email. Sure, Kartra comes with an email design app, so you can drag and drop your way to email templates as gorgeous as the pages Kartra Page Builder helps you create. Sure, Kartra even does automations. I know most people think that email automation is a pretty big deal, and it used to be. It's very powerful to have the technology that lets you send your visitors different email messages depending on what they did with the last email that you sent them. And it's cool, and Kartra does that too. But there is also a critical thing that Kartra can do that no other platform can do, period. Because every aspect of Kartra was created to be a natural extension of itself, Kartra knows everything. Kartra knows things about your visitors, subscribers, and customers that individual platforms can't. And this architecture is so powerful, it's like having marketing AI on your team that's continuously optimizing your sales conversions 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Let me give you an example. Let's say you send an email to somebody that takes them to a page where they have a video sales letter, and they watch the video sales letter all the way up to the part where you make them an offer, but they don't buy it, and then they leave. Now remember, Kartra knows this. That's because Kartra Page Builder, Kartra Email, Kartra Shopping Cart, and surprise, Kartra Video Hosting and Kartra Video Player, they all share information about what your visitors are doing. So for example, say they only watch 50% of your video sales letter. Well, damn, they didn't even get to the part where you'd start talking about the free bonuses you're giving away. Just tell the marketing AI that anyone who only watches 50% of your video should get a follow-up email that starts with a list of your free bonuses. Well, so say they watch all the way up to your offer but never see the price, or say maybe they watch the whole video, click on the add to cart button, and end up not buying. Kartra knows. And that means Kartra can respond dynamically to your visitors based on what they've done before. Just take a second to think about that, because here's a spoiler, Kartra also includes a fully featured customer service help desk. It comes with a digital content management platform that lets you create password-protected membership sites. It does the whole affiliate program management thing along with some deadly serious metrics and analytics tracking and customized reporting. Plus, it comes with the aforementioned video hosting, video player, email system, lead tagging, and scoring, page building, full e-commerce shopping cart with point-of-purchase order bumps, upsells, downsells, and of course, done-for-you campaigns. I'm listing all of these Kartra capabilities because in order to understand the full power of the Kartra marketing AI, you have to understand that Kartra can dynamically respond to activity from any and all of Kartra's features that I just listed. Just think about some of the possibilities here. If somebody goes to your order page and they don't purchase, Kartra knows. If you want to, Kartra can reach out to that person, make them an additional special offer, or give them some other type of incentive to go ahead and buy right now while they're hot. Like, a coupon. Yeah, Kartra does that too. If someone opens an email from one of your campaigns and they click on, say, the third link, Kartra knows, and it can follow up with them with a specific message based on what that third link said on autopilot. If someone gets 3 emails from you and they don't click on any of those links in those emails, Kartra knows. and it can put them in a special category of people who need extra attention and send them different series of messages designed to get them re-engaged automatically. If someone starts to order, but they abandon the cart, Kartra knows. If they bail out during an upsell, downsell sequence, Kartra knows. And if you wanted to, Kartra can even put them in a deadline campaign and automatically create the expiration date, set the countdown timers automatically, add them to the web pages automatically, and actually make the scarcity real without you lifting a finger. Guess what? If they still don't end up purchasing, Kartra knows, and it can put them in the next campaign to approach the sale from an entirely different angle. Maybe you give them a different offer, like a monthly or quarterly payment plan, or a coupon where the Kartra membership site gives them just the first chapter of your training as part of the $1 trial that you set up automatically. When Kartra knows, your business can grow. Kartra gets you more customers. Check. Kartra makes each customer worth more. Check. Kartra keeps you more customers. Check this out. Yes, Kartra also takes care of your customers for you. Couple of clicks and a bit of typing, and you'll have a complete help desk experience for your customers that also has live chat. Besides being super easy to set up and use, your new help desk keeps your customers really happy, and it makes customer support a breeze. Here's why. Let's say someone makes a purchase from you and then they need help. So they go to your Kartra help desk and they submit a Kartra support ticket. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Kartra is going to know everything that they've ever done, both as a customer and as a prospect. They're going to know how much they accessed your membership site content, how many emails they've opened or clicked, what marketing or training emails they received, what opt-in page they joined your list with, which sales offer campaigns they've responded to. Literally every single part of their journey with you has been documented, and you can see it at a glance. And this allows you to help them so much faster and more effectively. Kartra will also give you a web code that lets you embed your Kartra Support Center on places like your blog, so you can be everywhere. But don't worry, if you don't want to do that, Kartra will host your help desk for you. Plus, you don't have to limit live chat to just customer service. You can use the live chat feature to help you close sales by answering pre-sale questions or overcoming objections all in real time. And this kind of effortless customer service is going to increase your reputation in the long term, increase your brand, and make people want to continue to do business with you and refer their friends to you. From the first time a customer sees you, sees your email, sees an ad, visits your site, or buys a product, Kartra is watching and it's acting according to your plan. That means that Kartra can manage the total experience of your customer all the way through the delivery of your product, the delivery of your content. You want to put your content behind a password-protected wall in a professionally designed members area? Kartra can do that for you automatically. It can create an entire learning portal for your customers that will drip feed your content to them, give them monthly materials, unlock content based on their accomplishments, and let them see previews of other training products that you have so they can upgrade or get more right on the spot. You don't have to integrate anything, connect anything to anything else, or do any coding, or figure out any tech, or any of that stuff, which is pretty important. I mean, like for example, do you know how to optimize your videos for web streaming? You see, that's the kind of stuff that if you don't get right, it's going to hurt your marketing. Kartra makes sure that this kind of technology is not only handled, it levels up your video marketing by a notch or 10. Kartra hosts your videos so you don't have to worry about paying for expensive video hosting on top of everything else you're already paying for, or trying to figure out how to get your videos on your pages, or fiddling with video web player code, or any of that stuff. With Kartra, press a button and it's done. And this is important for 3 reasons. First, Kartra video hosting is included. And that's just lovely, because video hosting just by itself can cost more than all of Kartra. More on that in a minute. Second, it's easy, so you can get everything to market and start selling stuff faster. Imagine having an idea in the middle of the night, and by the next afternoon, it's actually out there on the web. That doesn't happen very often, but it can with Kartra. But the real reason this is important is because it lets Kartra know who's watching your videos, and it will automatically put them in marketing sequences based on what they do, just like I told you about a few minutes ago. And we figured, what the hell, why not add a couple of other fancy things, like letting you capture a name and email address right in the video player. You can also display an add to cart button that's clickable, and even redirect every visitor on the page to another place when the video is complete. Kartra gets you more customers. Kartra makes each customer worth more. Kartra keeps you more customers. And our last core principle, Kartra saves you more money. So as I said earlier, you can get started today with Kartra for just $1. And for all the work it does, we could easily make our starter plan for Kartra priced at $499 a month like some other platforms charge, most of which don't even do half of what Kartra does. And what they do implement is kind of old, often outdated, and very difficult to integrate together. But no, you are not going to pay $499 a month for our starter plan, or even $299 or even $199 a month like you might be thinking. And even the price of $199 a month for our starter plan, it would still be the best value around. I've checked. You see, for our grand opening, Kartra starts at just $89 a month. And that's for a fully featured plan. And the pricing plans for companies that are hot and growing fast are logically based on the size of your email list. So it's easy to choose exactly what you need. Oh, and don't worry, with Kartra's import function, you will be able to import all of your customers and leads from your current email or e-commerce solution over into Kartra. So the bottom line is, Kartra is more powerful. It is easier to use and more affordable than any other single feature platform. So instead of needing 8 products that you pay $100 a month for each, with Kartra, practically everything you need starts at $89 a month. Kartra isn't just powerful, and it isn't just inexpensive, it actually saves you money too. I know. I'm talking about what Kartra can replace. Check this out. First, a leading email marketing platform like Infusionsoft will cost you about $100, $120 a month. And then to add e-commerce, to have a shopping cart so you can take orders, and affiliate management, you'll need to add another $40 or $50 a month. You want marketing automation, like, Active Campaign, which is awesome. You're looking at about $99 a month. What about a world-class landing page funnel builder platform? Well, with like Lead Pages or Unbounce or ClickFunnels, which are awesome, you're looking at about another $99 a month. Membership sites or e-learning platforms like, Teachable, you're looking at paying another $99 a month, and we're still not done. What about professional video hosting and marketing and analytics platform? Well, go ahead and get an account for Wistia, and you guessed it, it's about $99 a month. And you're gonna just love this one. Help desk software, $99 a month. Now, the leading help desk platform, Zendesk, which does a great job, will cost you $99 per month per agent. Fine, that's actually reasonable. But if you have 3 people on for support, for 24/7 support, you're looking at $297 a month. So that's actually a lot more than Kartra. But that's their big pop-up plan, and you can get a more limited plan for just $49 a month. So to be fair to them and unfair to us, let us use that number when we add it all up, just to be cool. So until now, to professionally run your online business, you're looking at spending about $560, $50 a month. And hey, seriously, to run a business, this is not too shabby. That's like peanuts compared to back in the day if you had to open up a store and have, cash registers. Except that Kartra can do all of this for $89 a month. And that is cool. And what's even cooler is with Kartra, there's only one learning curve, not 8. Once you learn Kartra's interface, you can use those same skills to do anything in Kartra. If all Kartra did was save you money, it'd still be a great choice. But also don't forget, Kartra also makes you money. With our done-for-you campaigns included during this grand opening, you will be able to drag and drop, click and sell with instantly done-for-you campaigns created with the help of world-class copywriters and marketers. That bonus alone is priceless. But remember, everything else Kartra does. Kartra is a world-class email marketing and automation platform to sell your products and allow you to get an army of affiliates promoting your products for you. There's Kartra Pages, which is a state-of-the-art web page builder that makes gorgeous pages in minutes. And we even host them for you. You can create landing pages and sales pages, thank you pages, information pages, product launch pages, full-on funnels, Registration for events? If it's a web page, Kartra can probably make it. You can run your e-learning and membership sites with Kartra memberships, and with Kartra videos, host all of your training content and marketing videos. Plus, Kartra Video is intelligent. It knows how your visitors consume your content, and it's got some cool features like video opt-in forms and end video sales to help you lift your conversion. And finally, Kartra Help Desk, Knowledge Base, and Kartra Live Chat allows you to run your help desk in Kartra. You get all your data from your leads to analytics, sales, traffic statistics, and customer data, and it's all in one place, one dashboard with one login. And if supercharged marketing is all you're after, the done-for-you campaigns have been created by legends like Frank Kern. And with just a couple of clicks and some customization, your business can be selling with a totally automated funnel, built-in triggers, web pages, sales, and email copy included. And you can get it all today for just $1. And look, you can always cancel at any time because there are no commitments and no long-term contracts. Are you ready to make your next move with Kartra? Well, that's great, because the special offers, which can include discounted monthly pricing and enhanced capability, are available right now. They just won't be forever. And that's a fact. So to get started, just click the button, and at the end, you will have your own Kartra account to kick the tires and test drive for $1. We are so sure that you're going to love Kartra, but remember, this offer is limited. Risk nothing with our $1 trial. So don't delay. If the buttons are still active, you're in luck. So click that button and we will see you on the inside. So Kartra is ready, and it's ready for you. Its done-for-you campaigns are a couple of clicks away from being part of your marketing. All of its modern, fully integrated tools are ready to start making and saving you money. There is no risk. There's only your choice. To give yourself the permission to be less frustrated with technology, to give yourself the permission to focus on doing what makes your company grow, not just what keeps the lights on. Permission to have only one place to log in, one interface to use, the freedom to create marketing fast, and finally, to make it fun again. That's the next level of your business, and Kartra can take you there right now. I'm Andy Jenkins. Thanks for watching.